Hey guys, our next program aim will be develop a LATEX script to create a simple title page of the VTU project. Use suitable logos and text formatting. So as we know that every program will be beginning with our basic syntax, that's \document class, and here we'll be specifying 12 points, A4 paper, which is a standard IEEE format of a report page, followed by report. As we have seen in our previous program, we used to specify here as article, but since we are writing a report here, we'll be specifying report here. Next, we'll be declaring all the packages that we'll be using in this program. So let's first declare use package graphics. Here graphics package will be used. Graphics package is used for extracting logos. Logo image that will be extracting must be either in JPG or PNG form. How to do it I'll be later on explaining when you'll call this package in the program. Next we'll be using geometry package. This is very simple package, that is geometry package is used to maintain the page alignment, or whatever will be writing the content alignment in a page. And using this geometry package we'll be specifying the page size, width, height, and let me tell you something. Our standard format of page width and page height is 6.5 inch in width and 8.75 inch in height, which is 170 millimeter in width and 257 millimeter in height. So here left, right, top, bottom, whatever we have specified is nothing but the alignment we want to get in our title page. Next we'll be specifying the page style. Here since we have not used any page style, or since we do not want any page style, so we'll be mentioning as empty, because for title page we don't need any page number. In case of requirement of any page number, you can specify there. I have showed in my previous videos how to specify the or how to get the page number for a page. Then let's begin with our main code, that using begin statement, \begin. Then first we'll begin the document, then we'll begin the title page, then followed by which we'll be beginning our center. Here center is nothing but aligning everything to the center, since we want everything in center for the title page. Next, \text bold font, followed by which large, which means more bold, because we need to show the difference between some headings we need more bolder than some subheadings also will be specified in bold format, as well as main headings are also specified in bold format. To show the difference we'll be using large here, which means we'll be getting in more bold format. Let's give the title as Vishweshwara Technology University. Then normalize the next subheading. Be careful when you are using the commands, because if you will make mistakes when you are using the commands, you'll be that is the command will be not functioning properly. Use normal size command. Jnana Sangama Belgaum, and whatever you want to give subheading, that. Followed by which will be giving vertical space of 0.3 inches. That means after this sentence, I want to have a gap of 0.3 inches. So I am specifying here V backslash V space and 0.3 inches in flower braces. You can give or you can have more gap if you want. I just need here 0.3 inches of gap, so I used 0.3 inches. This how to use vertical space command and its uses I have already mentioned in my previous videos. Then we'll be using the logo. Since I have already told that the package mentioned above use package graphics, it will be useful further. So that package will be calling here by backslash include graphics command, followed by which will be mentioning the scale of the image. You can increase or decrease the scale of the image by using the command scale is equals to and whatever scale you need. Here I have mentioned 0.2 and the name of the file, followed by the file format, that is JPG or PNG. Then again vertical space of 0.3 inches. Then again title, that is backslash text bold font, a project report on what you are writing a project report, that I'm gonna mention here. And after which after a project report on, I'll be giving vertical space of 0.2 inches, then mentioning the main heading of my report, that is I'm going to create a report format using LATEX. So create report format using LATEX. Then again vertical space of 0.1 inches. These are all the report details what I am mentioning here. So these details and all you can follow your respective college formats. You'll be getting a report format. To create a report you need a format for it. When you'll be having format for it, you can follow it as it is, and you can just create a report. For every college or every university it differs, but the format might be same, commands will be same. You have to know that what command you have to use when, and what content you want after one another. After this I'll be giving again the vertical space of 0.2 inches. See, you just have to use vspace command to get vertical space everywhere you need, and the vertical space you can just give 0.2 inches or 0.1 or 0.3, how much ever you want. Just you should have an idea of what output you want. You should have a clarity what is the format of the report you need, and you can use the commands or you can play with the commands however you want. See, after university details I have mentioned report details, then student details. Who is submitting the report? Submitted by. After that, actually I have not mentioned here student details. I have directly considered guide details and department details. You can follow whatever format you want. After report details I mentioned department details, then vertical space, then submitted by. So while mentioning submitted by, you can use a new command called tabular. Followed by tabular, you will be using LL. Here LL means left. You can use right, left, CCC, RR, CLC. Here left means you need left alignment of both columns. Here you will be having two columns, that is one USN column and one name column. So both the column alignment you need it in on the left side. So you will be mentioning LL. If you want center left then center, you can just mention CLC. So whatever format you want. You can mention just all the USN's names who are involved in the project. And we use end tabular column command to end this table. Then I am giving vertical space again of 0.2 inches, followed by which I will be mentioning the guide details. See, the new comments that we have learned today are using graphics package, geometry package, and tabular command. And what else? Normal size, large, then okay, under the guidance of HOD, whatever you can just mention your HOD name in bold font using text BF command, then their designation, then again vertical space, then again vertical space. Now I'm gonna include the college logo. This report format what I have taken here is IEEE standard format. Most of the colleges follows this format, so you can just use this code and just change some content. then college details. Here actually after guide details I have included the college logo in my report, since I can't reveal my college logo, as I have previously mentioned the VTU logo how we can use the same command you can just follow here, that is / include graphics followed by the scale size, that is logo size scale is equals to whatever you want, then followed by which in curly braces you just have to mention the file name followed by the file format, that is JPG or PNG. See, you just have to first download the image from the Google or wherever you want, you just have to say, name it. The image must be in JPG form or PNG form. The same image you can just save it in any folder or file. That file name you have to mention in this program, that I have, as I have told, after scale followed by scale you have to mention it in a curly brace with the extension of JPG or PNG, whatever format the image is present in. If you did not save the image or given any file name, you can just mention the path of the image from downloads directly in the report. So at last this will be last, that means our college details will be last. So after which again I will be giving of vertical space. See, vertical space is not necessary everywhere. If you want you can give, if you feel it necessary or if you feel that space is required somewhere in the report, then you can just add this command there. Every time you add vertical space or remove this command, you recheck the output again by running it. After this I'm just ending this whatever begin center command I have used, I'm just closing that command using end center, then title page and title page, then I'm ending the document. Save it as usual. Then now run the program. So now we have completed writing a program. So let's try to check our output. To get the next sentence or next command in the new line, that's a new line command. This is how we get our output after running the program. As I have mentioned, we used a large command to get Vishweshwara Technological University in more bolder format, after which Jnana Sangama, it is in bolder format but not as much as VTU what I have mentioned as main heading. Then in the same order we got logo, and whatever I have mentioned, the order I have got in the same format, but there is a mistake over here. I have mentioned USN and names in tabular format, after which I have mentioned the guide details, but the guide under the guidance of sentence has appeared beside the USN. So my mistake here was I did not add a new line over here. So after adding new line, let's check. So you will be getting errors. You need to just run the program again and again, check the output, verify every detail, rectify the error, then you just have to acknowledge what you have to add and what you have to remove. See, still it's same. So let's try adding it somewhere else. Yeah, okay, now it's okay. See, actually there is much more disturbance over here, sorry for that. It's just for this video. So this is how we get the output.